There are many ways in which onion can benefit both men and women sexually because of their rich supply of nutrients, including onions in your diet can help support sexual health by improving your overall health. Also, they can help manage prevent metabolic condition diabetes. They may negatively after sexual health. Here are some more specific ways which onion can help improve your self life. Onions may be used as a natural remedy for erectile dysfunction, a condition in which a man cannot achieve and a sustain or erection leading to difficulties in having penetrating sex. This could be the result of factors such as stress, anxiety, certain medications or alignments like type of 2 diabetes and high blood pressure. Onions are rich in folate, which is important of the production of blood cells. There are also good sources of vitamin K which help to prevent blood clots. The effect plus in antioxidant properties may help improve blood flow the penis and combat ED. A recent study was done on the rat where receiving dystest is a drug used to treat bacnic and hyperic and sexual dysfunction is one of its possible side effects. The study relevant that administered onion juice improved erectile dysfunction in the yeast and increase in the testosterone production. Testosterone in the main sex hormone in males. It has number of important roles including regulating and sperm production. Several studies have shown that onions stimulate the production of testosterone, which can boost sexual drive, increase sperm count, and promote fertility in men. Enhance sexual drive in men and women. Onion is believed to be an antibiotic that can stimulate sexual desire, increase prayer, and boost sexual stamina in both men and women. How to get onions in your diet? Onions are widely available vegetable you can get your local grocery store. There are several ways to add to your diet the part in their work, however you choose to use them. Here are few ideas. You can have the raw as a part of salad and serve as an accompaniment to a main dish to get a well balanced meal. If you don't like eating raw onions, you can choose of one many ways to cook them: frying, baking, or grilling. Use chopped onions as a base of stew stocks or soups. Use onion as an integrate for seasoning and like chicken, meat, and fish during preparation. Blend a mixture of onions, olive oil, vinegar, and some herbs to use as delicious healthy salad dressing.